Sonauto's involvement in the Paris-Dakar rally began in the event's inaugural year, 1979, when it fielded for Yamaha XTZ750 motorcycles. The team's performance was nothing short of extraordinary, winning 7 out of the rally's 11 stages. Among the riders was Jean-Claude Olivier, who himself secured 2 stage victories. This early success not only cemented Yamaha's reputation in the rally world, but also served as inspiration for the development of one of the most iconic adventure bikes in history, the Yamaha XTZ750 Ténéré. However, Yamaha's dominance in the rally was soon challenged by competitors like BMW, whose A80GS began to outshine the XT series by the mid-1980s. Recognizing the need for a purpose-built rally machine, Jean-Claude Olivier took on the challenge of reclaiming victory. In 1985, he finished second in the rally, riding a heavily modified Yamaha Ténéré 600 equipped with a massive 51-litre fuel tank and various performance enhancements. In pursuit of greater top speeds, Olivier and his team experimented with the Yamaha XTZ750's 4-cylinder engine in 1986, resulting in the creation of the XTZ750 Ténéré. Unfortunately, the bike proved too heavy for the harsh rally conditions, and Olivier only managed a 12th place finish. Learning from these challenges, Yamaha's racing division in Japan began developing a dedicated factory machine for the 1988 Paris-Dakar rally, known as the YZE750 Ténéré, featuring a 750 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 5 valves. Sonauto's legacy continues to inspire motorcycle enthusiasts and builders worldwide. Now, Bike Factory has unveiled another masterpiece, a second custom Yamaha XTZ750 Super Ténéré, this time honoring Sonauto's late 1980s Dakar races. The donor bike, a 1989 XTZ750 Super Ténéré, was meticulously stripped down and rebuilt from the ground up. Featuring firmer front suspension, a YSS rear shock, a full Arrow exhaust system, custom crash bars, a Dakar-style windshield, and the iconic Sonauto livery, this tribute bike embodies the heritage of Yamaha's Paris-Dakar glory days. With such builds keeping the Dakar spirit alive, Sonauto's influence on the adventure motorcycling world remains as strong as ever.